Jerry from Michigan asks, how do we create a pivot table with top 10, top 3, top 5, but then one line with all others? The top 3, top 10, top 5 is super easy, but unfortunately that all others line makes it really tough. So we're going to insert a pivot table here. Customer and revenue. I'm going to sort this high to low, data, Z to A. All right, great. So let's say we want to show the top 3 and then everyone else as all others. We're going to choose all of the people that are outside of the top 3. On the Analyze tab, we're going to go to Group Selection. Now, what did that do? There's the original customer column. There's a new column called Customer 2 with everything in Group 1. All right, so over here in the pivot table field list, we hide the original customer. Now we just have Customer 2 and Group 1. This is actually what we want, except for horrible things like the weird thing that says Group 1. We're allowed to type something new there, all others. That's completely legal. Let's take this data and sort again. Data Z to A. All right, but now I need to get that all others to the bottom. So we come here to this drop down, Customer 2, more sort options, change it to manual. On more options, uncheck sort automatically. Click OK. Both of those have to happen. Now we have all others here. I'm going to make this a little bit larger so we can see what's going on. Right when you get to the right edge of that, you can drag, and you want that green bar going all the way across the pivot table, and you can drag it to the bottom. All right. This is crazy. Like, we sorted this high to low, and it's not sorted high to low anymore. Z to A. All right. This still should say more sort options is still manual. All right. So we had to change it, and then I guess resort it, and then you can drag this down to the correct spot. Kind of really weird how that works, but that is the method to get the all others. I want to thank Jerry for being in my webinar last week in Columbus, Indiana. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.